Okay, so we've done elimination, and we've done it where all you need to do is add columns, or maybe just change a top or bottom of your of your equation. But in this one, you'd actually have to manipulate both your equations. So one thing I could look at is, let me look at the y here and say, is there any way I can make this is a positive and this is a negative, make this a number so they'll cancel out? Well, one thing I could do is I can multiply the top by 4 and then multiply the bottom by 3. Now what does that do? Well, that'll actually change my equation. Make sure to distribute to everything. 8x plus 12y is equal to 0. And that'll change us to 21x minus 12y is equal to 87. Now, since I've been able to change this, what I've been able to do is eliminate my y's here. And I end up with 29x is equal to 87. And if I divide both sides by 29, I get x is equal to 3. Now once I have x, all I need to do is plug into either of these equations. I'll use this one, smaller numbers, probably easier to work with. 2 times 3 plus 3y is equal to 0. 6 plus 3y is equal to 0. Subtract 6, 3y is equal to negative 6. Divide by 3, y is equal to negative 2. Now I just want you guys to take a look at something here. I don't necessarily have to eliminate my y's. Let's say I looked at this and I took 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. 7x minus 4y is equal to 29. Let's say I wanted to eliminate the x's, because I know 2 times 7 is 14, and I'll make the top a positive 14 and the bottom a negative 14. And I get 14x plus 21y is equal to 0. And I get negative 14x plus 8y is equal to negative 58. Now if these cancel out, and I'm left with a 29y is equal to negative 58, and I divide both sides by 29, notice that y ends up being the same result here. So basically I've eliminated the x's, done it a different way, and still ended up with the same y. And if I plug in a negative 2, I mean, we could do that real quick. 2x plus 3 times the negative 2 equals 0. I'll get 2x is equal to 6, divide by 2. My x is equal to 3. End up with the same answer there as well.